Welcome back, friends. It is first thing in the morning this morning. Judge Simpson has an explosive case right out the bat. That's what this is. An inmate got a little bit mouthy. As always, I am not an attorney. Clearly, I am not giving any legal advice nor putting forth any legal conclusions. All comments are my opinion. All persons are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Down below, sorry for the dog, down below is the link to join my memberships for my channel. You can join my circle of friends, which help support me because many of these videos are demonetized based on the nature of what they are. There's also the link to support Luna and Fritz in their bark box habit. And also, I actually just started a second channel that is more my personal stuff. So if you would like to get to know me there, I invite you to hop on over there. It's Jess's Zebra Adventures, which is JES apostrophe Zebra Adventures. I look forward to growing my channels and being able to provide all of you with more content. I do have several projects I'm working on, so they're longer format investigative issues. But on that note, let's get over to Judge Simpson's courtroom and check out this insanity.
The 14A District Court for County of Washtenaw, State of Michigan is now in session. All those having business before the court draw near. The Honorable Judge J. Cedric Simpson and the Honorable Judge Carl A. Barr presiding.
And good morning, folks. I guess the first thing we'll do is start out with the waivers. I don't think I have Mr. Ganache. Ms. Landy, would you do the pleasure, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning and Happy New Year to you and Judge Barr as well. Ashley Landy for the people. At this time, the people would waive any conflict between this honorable court and the Office of the Public Defender. The people do not believe such a conflict exists, but make the waiver for the avoidance of any doubt.
All right, thank you. And, oh boy, yeah, he's here. I was hoping I could call on somebody else. Mr. Brown.
Good morning and Happy New Year to both Your Honors. Vaughn Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender. We likewise do not believe that a conflict exists in this court hearing this matter. We will waive any potential conflicts if any were to arise.
All right. This court, for its part, does not believe that a conflict exists either under Michigan court rules or the cases decided thereunder. To the extent one does, given the waivers, the court will consent to hear the matter. Court does call the case of the people state of Michigan versus Joshua Pelfrey.
Good morning, Your Honor. Elizabeth Andery, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney on behalf of the people.
Good morning. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And Edward Drukas on behalf of Joshua Pelfrey.
All right. And what are we doing on this matter today?
Your Honor, he is currently in custody, and my understanding is that there is a new matter that has been pending and is waiting to be sworn out. I'd be asking for an adjournment today so we can.
Oh, no, I don't want an adjournment, man. We've been adjourning. I'm supposed to get out of prison in 2 months, and I don't want to go to the county jail. We got to do something here. Nobody came and talked to me. I don't have a discovery packet. I've been incarcerated since May, and there's cases still coming up that have been, this has been in warrant status since August. I was in your county jail. What's going on? Every time I come to court, Your Honor, I'm sorry, every time I've been in court, I got sentenced by you in June. I got sentenced by Ms. Perry in July. I got sentenced again in October. And every time I go to court, they tell me that there's a pending matter, but they never arraigned me under to charge me with it. I don't know we adjourned this last time for 5 weeks because you said that you wanted the prosecutor to have all charges at this court date. That's why we adjourned it for 5 weeks last time. And now we're here doing the exact same thing.
All right. Let me know when you're done, and then I'll talk.
I'm sorry. I'm done.
Oh, good. Okay. Where is this other matter, Mr. Drukas, Ms. Andery?
Thank you, Your Honor. It was charged by my office in July. Actually, I don't know what the holdup is, but I did contact the sheriff's office to try to get it done. I let them know that he was in custody and that needed to be done this week or next at the very least.
So
doesn't that violate my 100?
It's a possession of control.
Sir, hold on.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's the second sorry. next time you have to interrupt somebody and have to tell me you're sorry, I'm done. And I'll just adjourn it out on my own. Am I understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Ms. Sanderi, as I'm to understand, that means the case is not in our system yet. Is that your understanding?
Correct. So I contacted the sheriff's department to see what the holdup was and to ask for them to get that done either this week or next, whenever they get it done. I mean, it's not connected to this case. It's a possession of drugs. So if we want to move this one forward, I'll leave it up to Mr. Drukas. But it would make more sense to handle them all together, especially given that he's in custody, but it's not my decision to make.
Okay. So, and you don't see,
I do not see anything indicating that it is in warrant status for Mr. Pelfrey's name.
okay, so it's not in warrant status. It's not, okay. So, and I just want to make sure I'm clear before you start having other outbursts. It has not been sworn out, so the court does not even have it yet.
That's correct, Your Honor. It has been signed and authorized by my office. It is with the sheriff's department.
Got it. Okay. All right, so,
I just got an email back and the detective said he will have it done tomorrow morning.
well, we can't hold him online that long, because I was gonna say, if they've got it, they can just bring it down to me, I'll swear it out. But that's not gonna help us because he's in MDOC and we're gonna lose the connect in a bit. Okay, Mr. Drukas, what would you like to do on this case?
If this is coming in tomorrow, if we could adjourn this 1 week, we can see.
Here's gonna be my only problem with 1 week. Because he's in MDOC, I can't do any, there's gotta be time for the video writ for him to get here.
Is 2 weeks possible, Your Honor?
I can do 2 weeks. And then that comes in. So what we'll do, okay, Mr. Pelfrey, here's what I'm gonna do, because you're right, the last time I thought we'd have everything done. I don't have it so that you're clear on what was being said. I don't have the case here. If the case had been sworn out and was here, then I just tell my clerks to get the file open, have you sit tight, bring it down. I can't even do that at this point, okay? We can sit here and we can point at everybody and try to blame everybody, but that's not going to do us any good. We are where we are. So
I understand. I'm sorry again. I apologize.
All right.
I'm just
So
frustrated. It's been a long process.
no, I hear you. And so the best that I can do is to put it out 2 weeks. We get the video writ, have you back. And at that time, we should have both cases. I can't guarantee it to you, but now at least I know where things are, and we'll try to have both cases here when you're up. All right?
I understand. Is there any way I could break out with my attorney after this and talk to him for just a second? 'Cause I'm stuck in this.
I don't usually allow breakout rooms, but I don't think I have anybody else at MDOC.
You do not.
I do not. Okay, so maybe we can accommodate that for you, Mr. Pelfrey, as long as next time you appear, you don't come here on some tirade like that.
I
No,
apologize. I've never
You
done
just
that.
got, you get a breakout room if you make that promise to me.
I promise you it won't.
All right, all right. Now, if you
Never
break
happened before.
if you break your promise to me, we're gonna have a problem. All right?
No, I can't do that. I can't do
Okay.
that.
All right.
All right.
So what I will do
Happy New
to
Year.
the 19th. Okay, I will adjourn this matter at the probable cause hearing, in this case, to January 19th, 2023, 9 a.m. as your invite indicates. And bond will continue. And can we have Mr. Pelfrey and Mr. Drukas put into a breakout?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Your Honor.